Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Caspa. If you're looking at the overall market, we're seeing majority of the market seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, but you are seeing some handful coins that are up quite a bit, and one of them is Kaspa. If you did end up watching my Kaspa update literally yesterday, I indicated that we were retesting some very critical price levels, which was really bullish. And as a matter of fact, we did end up seeing that breakout and gave us that confirmation that those levels really were extremely important. So if you did watch that video, you guys know exactly what we discussed. But let's take a further look as to what is happening with Caspa and of course what is yet to come. So looking at the price, it's up 18% on the daily time frame, with the price currently sitting at 17.5 cents. If you're looking at BTC comparative, it's also up 18.2% with the market cap at almost about $4.2 billion. That's not the craziest thing. If you're looking at the 24-hour trading volume, that has gone up quite a bit right now. We're almost at $200 million. So is Binance picking it up? Is Coinbase picking it up? Again, this is speculation. These are questions that you should be asking right now. What is really causing this massive traction within the price of Caspa right now? Is it just based off of retesting some key levels? But we're seeing overall market kind of seeing a lag. So could there be insider information? We can obviously all we could do is just speculate until the actual announcement does go live. But great momentum on Caspa's end, and we know layer one, very exciting. A lot of people are very optimistic for Caspa's future. But let's see what happens. Let's talk about the price, of course. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So let's take a look at our good old friend Dominance Index. So, we did see the Dominance Index go up quite a bit. I kind of highlighted this in the Pepe update if you did end up watching that. This is one of the most important tools that you need to become an expert at because it really 99% of the time, for me personally, I don't know about you, 99% of the time this is a really good indication. That kind of tells me what's happening with the broader market. And as you can see, we did see Bitcoin breaking past $70,000, and you can see the correlation that Bitcoin dominance has. We saw dominance shooting up as well, and this is the reason as to why you're seeing quite a bit of lag for majority of the altcoins right now, as you can pretty much see on the daily time frame. But Bitcoin breaking out was a great thing. Obviously, we discussed that. Gives me a good feeling that we're going to have a great month as far as Bitcoin is concerned. As far as the price. But let's take a look at what's happening with Caspa right now. Wow, this is madness right now. This is pure madness what Caspa has been able to do. So you can see this for yourself. I even indicated this in our update, which was just yesterday. I said we saw the price of Caspa retest a 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level for the first time since pretty much March. And after we broke out, there's pretty much thin air. And, we literally just went through the roof. And if you did watch my old Caspa updates just a few days back, I was indicating, a lot of people were saying, Caspa this, Caspa that, it's done. I was reminding you guys, look at how Caspa has moved in the past. You've seen some explosive moves within the chart, and I kind of drew, this pattern that, we're kind of noticing right now. If I were to zoom in for you guys, you can kind of see this better. We're seeing this upward trajectory pattern playing out, higher highs, higher lows. So could we see something like this play out? As of now, it seems like that is not an unrealistic thing to be thinking, because look at this. You saw the price of Caspa literally go from the 10 cents mark all the way up to 18 cents in just a matter of a month. And if you picked it up around that time, you're up about 70%, and we're already in the all-time high territory. You guys know the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level is an all-time high zone for myself, and you can see this for yourself. We've already made it there in a snap of a finger. So if you picked up just based off of the confirmation itself at 14.8 cents, you did see Caspa go up an additional 21.5%. And right now what you're starting to see is quite a bit of resistance from the previous this all-time high coming in its way. But right now we do have quite a bit of momentum on its side. So even if Bitcoin were to push higher, I think we could see Caspa really taking advantage of this momentum on top of Bitcoin's momentum and really start pushing up to these levels that I'm talking about. So if we were to kind of go back and take a look at this, you can see we do have a significant amount of resistance coming in the way. But the main, next target that I could see Caspa going to is around the 17.9 cents, so 18 cents, and then I think we're off to the races towards a new all-time high. You can clearly see we're right at 18 cents. As I said to you guys just a few seconds ago, 18 cents is the next resistance. You can clearly see we saw Caspa hit exactly at that 18 cents price point, and it has seen a little bit of a rejection. Why? Because of course resistances should be treated like massive hurdles coming in the way, but nonetheless this move is absolutely insane. Could there be some insider news that is behind the scenes that we do not know of? Possibly. That's obviously a speculation that a lot of people are having right now, but let's take it one step at a time. Right now I'm liking what I'm seeing, and honestly, as far as all-time highs concerned, obviously a lot of people are excited about that. That's only 7% away. And honestly, would not even be surprised if we see Caspa smashing past an all-time high tomorrow with the momentum and the volume that it has on its side right now. Do let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.